This is not your average article about legal entities. This is a very detailed guide on your legal entity options for setting up your business and every consideration you need to be mindful of to take action and establish your legal entity. And best of all, it's free at the moment. A business exists as soon as the business owner decides the business exists. The term business is simply a statement about intent. If you intend an activity to make money by providing goods or services to customers, then that activity is a business. While a company, a legal entity, is a particular operating structure registered in a jurisdiction, and the company has certain rights and responsibilities. So, what do you actually get in this guide? Number 1, the steps to establish a U.S. legal entity for your business beyond just registering your business as a legal entity, and an explanation of the reasoning behind each step. These are the steps you need to consider before you register your business as a legal entity. Number 2, what to consider when determining what state or jurisdiction you want to register your business in, with details to truly help you with your decision making. Number 3, we cover what are the different legal entities and which is the right one for you. And lastly, number 4, whether an LLC is the right choice for you. By the end, you will know what actions to take to get your entity set up with this temporarily free resource. You'll know what legal entity is right for you and what choices to make. So, download this temporary free guide and checklist today on our website. The link is in the description. You can use the contact form on our website to contact us with any questions about this guide.